All right, class, let's take a look at some examples related to charge, current, voltage, and amperes. Um, so when you look at this question right here, it says, if it's determined that 200 coulombs of charge passes through a wire in 1 minute, determine the equivalent electrons passing through the wire. And so basically, what this question is asking is, it's just asking you to convert your charge right here, 200 coulombs, to electrons. All right, so if you read the book, and most textbooks are going to present the relationship between charge and electrons in this fashion right here. But when you look at this formula right here, or this relationship, it looks kind of confusing. And so basically, all this formula is saying is that one coulomb is equal to 6.242 times 10 to the 18 electrons. That's a lot of electrons in 1 coulomb. But that's all this formula right here is saying. Is 1 coulomb equal to 6.242 times 10 to the 18 electrons. So basically, all this question right here is just a basic conversion type of question. And so what we have here is we got 200 coulombs, and we want to convert it to electrons. And so I like to write it out this way when I'm converting. All right, so we got 1 coulombs on the bottom, 42 times 10 to the 18 on the top. And so our coulombs cancel out. And so what we're left with is 200 times 6.242 times 10 to the 18 electrons. All right, so if we plug that into our calculator, we got 200 times 6.242 times 10 to the 18. And I get 1.25 times 10 to the 21 electrons. All right, moving on to the next question. But before I do, I just wanted to point out the mode that I have my calculator in. And so from this point on, more than likely we're going to be working in engineering notation. So whatever calculator that you're using, you want to make sure that it's set in engineering notation, and also you want to have it rounding to 2 decimal places. So I'm setting my decimal point to 2. And for right now, we're not going to be working with rectangular or polar coordinates, so just keep that one set it real. All right, so let's move on to the next question, which is